Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme Device to TCL 408. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. In order to close it, tap on OK. Nextly, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of Realme and Receive right next to it at the bottom of TCL. Also on TCL, tap on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to Realme Device. You can finally use all of those categories located at the top and pick all of your photos or files that you wish to transfer. Then click on Send next to Selected at the bottom to continue. I will go with this one photo. Finally, tap on Got It in the pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you wish to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide on TCL. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you want to input this key into Input Key section, just click on it and type in all of those numbers in the same order. Last but not least, click on Receive button to connect. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my picture was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!